Martha Karambu Koome was born on June 3, 1960, in Kithiu Village, Meru County, Kenya, into a humble peasant farming family. Her father was a small-scale farmer, and her mother was a housewife who also worked on the family farm. She grew up in a large polygamous household. Her father had 2 wives and 18 children in total. As one of these children, Martha learned the values of resilience, cooperation, and hard work early in life. Martha began her early education at Muiteria Primary School in Meru County. After completing her primary studies, she proceeded to Chuka Commercial Secondary School in Tharaka Nithi County for her secondary education, after which she joined Our Lady of Consolata Mugwari Girls High School in Murang'a County for her secondary education. In 1986, she graduated with a Bachelor of Laws, an LLB degree, from the University of Nairobi. The following year, she completed her postgraduate diploma in law at the Kenya School of Law and was admitted to the role of advocates. Her thirst for knowledge later led her to the University of London, where she earned a Master of Laws, an LLM, in Public International Law in 2010. Justice Martha's professional journey began in 1988 as a legal associate at Matenge and Muchemi Advocates. In 1993, she founded her own firm, Martha Koome and Company Advocates, where she served as managing partner until 2003. During these years, she became deeply involved in human rights and constitutional reform. She served on the Law Society of Kenya Council, was the inaugural treasurer of the East Africa Law Society, and chaired the Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA Kenya. Her advocacy helped push for key laws such as the Sexual Offences Act, Marriage Act, Matrimonial Property Act, and the Protection Against Domestic Violence Act. Her work extended beyond Kenya's borders when she was appointed as an AU Commissioner to the African Committee of Experts on the Rights and Welfare of the Child. She also chaired the National Council on the Administration of Justice, Special Task Force on Children Matters, leading reforms to Kenya's Children Act. In 2003, President Mwai Kibaki appointed Martha as a High Court judge. She served in Nairobi, Nakuru, and Kitale, heading various divisions, including land and environment, commercial, and family. She championed reforms such as establishing satellite courts and court user committees to improve case management. In 2012, she was elevated to the Court of Appeal, where she oversaw the criminal division and streamlined court processes. Her career reached a historic milestone on May 21, 2021, when she was appointed the 15th Chief Justice of Kenya and 3rd President of the Supreme Court, becoming the first woman to hold the position. In this role, she chairs the Judicial Service Commission, the National Council on the Administration of Justice, and the National Council for Law Reporting. Her tenure has focused on judicial efficiency, digitization, and enhancing access to justice. On a personal level, Martha Koome is married to Koome Kiragu, a man known for his work in child welfare through World Vision Kenya. Together, they have 3 children, whose names they keep private to protect their family life. Her exact net worth is undisclosed, although she filed her wealth declaration with the Judicial Service Commission during her vetting. The figures were kept private. Some unverified online estimates suggest her assets may be worth around 400 million Kenyan shillings, but there is no confirmed public record of this. Despite her achievements, Martha's career has not been without controversy. During her vetting, the Law Society of Kenya accused her of favoritism, nepotism, and making rulings influenced by improper motives. In 2017, while serving as a Court of Appeal judge, she faced criticism for sitting on a public holiday in a politically sensitive case concerning the presidential election. More recently, in December 2024, 4 former LSK presidents called for her resignation, citing allegations of judicial corruption and misuse of court orders. She has also faced political clashes over parliamentary oversight of the judiciary and has had to respond to public concerns about systemic corruption in Kenyan courts, admitting the problem exists but denying any personal involvement. Additionally, false sexist narratives have circulated online which have been debunked by fact-checkers. Through all these challenges, Chief Justice Martha has remained committed to upholding the rule of law and expanding access to justice, particularly for women and children. Her rise from a rural village in Meru to the highest judicial office in Kenya stands as a testament to determination, service, and breaking barriers in a male-dominated field.